Hi y'all, my charger just came. It's 10 foot. Don't ask me why there's a number 12 on it because I have no clue why, but it's 10 foot. America's #1 USB charging brand. It had good reviews on Amazon, so it's nice. Let's see how big it is. Holy shit, it's big. Damn, this is as big as ever. It even comes with like little wristbands or strips or straps, like Velcro straps. Let's see how big it is. This is like 2 of me. Yeah, because I wanted a larger one so I can like reach it farther. So yeah, this is it. I don't really feel the need to take it across, like make it like bigger, because you know how big 10 foot is, at least most of you do. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so this is it. Bye.